Bandits Early Bird College Basketball Special for Friday, November 18th. Ryder versus Stetson. I know you are all going to be sleeping on Bandits Early Bird Special winner today. 5 a.m. Eastern Time, Ryder versus Stetson. Be sure to subscribe. Click the bell icon. Support the channel. It's good karma for you. You might win the lottery. Ryder versus Stetson. Bandits always popular. Early bird special. 5 a.m. Eastern Time. Money making banda playing. Ryder on the money line. Full game. Ryder on the money line. Bandits Early Bird Special winner. 5 a.m. Eastern Time. Friday, November 18th. College basketball. Money Bandit King. And the 1 minute videos. Making you money 100% free in 1 minute. Money Maker, choo choo, choo choo. Bandit Money Train is rolling. Next stop, Moneyville.